Hi there! Today I'm going to show you how to create your very own LEGO account. Whether you're a seasoned builder or just starting your brick-filled journey, let's get you set up to explore the exciting world of digital LEGO creations. Now first things first, open up your web browser and head to the LEGO website. Once you're on the LEGO homepage, look for the sign up or create account button and click on it. Now, they will ask for some basic info like your email and a password. Just type in your details and you're on your way. After entering your details, just give that create account button a click. And now, it's time to keep an eye on your email. Look out for a verification message from them and all you've got to do is click the link that they've sent you and then head back to the LEGO website and you will find yourself at a fun crossroads and now it's your chance to pick a LEGO ID that's something that truly reflects you. And here's the fun part. Feel free to jazz it up by adding a profile picture or any extra details you fancy. Remember, it's your LEGO world, so make it uniquely yours. And that's it! Now you've got a LEGO account. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more helpful guides and insightful content in the future.